harnessing the power of genomes to improve population health. The One Health Project, a new frontier in genetic research. The One Health Project, spearheaded by a team of Purdue geneticists, is poised to revolutionize the field of genetic research by exploring the intricate relationship between genomes and population health. This ambitious project seeks to unravel the mysteries of how genetic information can be used to predict and prevent diseases, ultimately leading to better health outcomes for individuals and communities. Understanding the One Health Project at its core, the One Health Project is an interdisciplinary effort that brings together geneticists, epidemiologists, and other experts to tackle the complex question of how genomes can inform population health. By combining cutting-edge genetic techniques with traditional epidemiological methods, the team aims to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the genetic factors that contribute to disease susceptibility and progression. Key objectives. The One Health Project has several key objectives, including developing novel genetic markers for disease susceptibility, identifying genetic variants associated with improved health outcomes, creating predictive models that can forecast disease risk, informing public health policy and practice through the use of genetic data. The science behind the One Health Project. The One Health Project relies on a range of advanced genetic techniques, including next-generation sequencing and genotyping. These methods enable researchers to analyze large datasets and identify subtle patterns and correlations that may not be apparent through traditional methods. How genomes inform population health. Genomes contain a wealth of information about an individual's genetic makeup, including genetic variants that can influence disease susceptibility. Understanding the project's goals and objectives. The project aims to explore the application of methods developed for analyzing large datasets in animal science to human genetics research. This interdisciplinary approach seeks to bridge the gap between animal and human genetics, enabling researchers to better understand the genetic basis of complex traits and diseases. Key objectives. Investigate the feasibility of applying methods from animal science to human genetics research, develop new approaches for analyzing large human datasets, improve our understanding of the genetic basis of complex traits and diseases. The role of large-scale databases. The project leverages Purdue's access to large-scale databases, including the 23andMe Human Gene Bank and the UK Biobank. We were missing out on a lot of the diversity that exists in the genetics of plants and animals. The importance of integrating human, animal, and plant genetics. The integration of human, animal, and plant genetics is crucial for advancing our understanding of the genetic basis of complex diseases and traits. By studying the genetic similarities and differences between these three kingdoms, researchers can identify new genetic variants associated with disease susceptibility and develop more effective treatments. Key findings from human, animal, and plant genetics research. Shared genetic mechanisms. Studies have shown that humans, animals, and plants share common genetic mechanisms that contribute to disease susceptibility, such as the role of epigenetics in regulating gene expression. His team is working on a project to develop a new method for assessing animal welfare in livestock farming. Understanding animal welfare in livestock farming. Animal welfare in livestock farming is a complex and multifaceted issue. It encompasses various aspects, including the physical and psychological well-being of animals, their living conditions, and the treatment they receive from humans. Luis Brito and his team are tackling this challenge by developing a new method for assessing animal welfare in livestock farming. The current state of animal welfare assessment. Currently, animal welfare assessment in livestock farming is often based on traditional methods, such as visual inspections and behavioral observations. This has led to the development of new methods for predicting the likelihood of certain traits or characteristics in animals. These methods can be used to predict the likelihood of certain traits or characteristics in humans as well. Investigating the potential of AI in animal genetics. The project seeks to explore the possibility of applying AI techniques developed in animal genetics to other fields. This is a significant area of research, as it has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and more. The role of AI in animal genetics. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become increasingly prevalent in animal genetics, particularly in the development of predictive techniques. These techniques use large amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions about the likelihood of certain traits or characteristics in animals. For example, AI can be used to predict the likelihood of a certain breed of dog being prone to a particular health issue. Some of the key techniques used in AI for animal genetics include plus machine learning algorithms plus deep learning techniques plus genetic analysis plus data mining. These techniques have been shown to be highly effective in predicting the likelihood of certain traits or characteristics in animals.